Hello guys, it's Mang Ruben. Let's pick some of our string beans, our sitaw, and we have to cook. Harvest time. So I'm gonna leave the big one right there for my seeds next year. I will pick the crispy one. Too much string beans. This one's still okay. That one no. That's my seeds for next year. Same with the other one. I think I'm gonna have a lot of seeds for next year. Oh, look at that. I think they're pretty matured now. So I was away for 3 days. That's why. This one is good. Oh, we got lots. Oh, this is good for adobo. Wow, that's a lot. Look at that. Oh, some of them are already matured. Yeah. I'm away for 3 days, that's why. That would be good enough for one cooking. Still have lots. Okay guys, I'm gonna cook this one for one cooking. Ito na guys, yung sitaw natin, adobo. Yeah, ayan na. Oh, luto na. Wow. Yeah, hindi ko na binidyo kung paano ko ginawa kasi one-handed lang ako. Walang taga-video. Sarap oh, adobong sitaw ni Mang Ruben. Dami. Yan, plating na po natin. Yung sitaw ni Mang Ruben. Yan na po. Pinagyan ko ng baboy. Yeah, it's gonna be yummy. Fresh from the garden. Yes. Adobong sitaw ni Mang Ruben. Sariling tanim. Usok pa, init. Ayan. Dami. Mang Ruben, magtawag ka na ng kapitbahay. Ayan. Here you go guys. Our adobo string beans fresh from the garden. Sarap. Alright, thanks for watching. Mapagpalang araw sa ating lahat. God bless everyone. See you again soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.